Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to get more FPS in Roblox. Firstly, go to the search panel in Windows and type Roblox Player. Then click on Open File Location. Now right click on Roblox Player application, go to Properties, then click on Open File Location again. Now click on the folder URL from the top section, then select copy. Now go to settings. Now in the search panel for settings, type graphics settings. Now let's click on graphics settings. Now in the graphics performance preference tab, click on browse. Then paste the folder URL you just copied in here. Now go to the file location. Now click on Roblox Player beta.exe. Then click on add. Now go to options. Select high performance and save. After that, go to your task manager. Then click on the details tab and look for Roblox Player beta.exe. Then right click, set affinity. Now set it to high, change priority. Now you're done. Now you have to open Roblox. After coming to Roblox, press escape. Go to the settings menu. Then in graphics mode, set it to manual and set the lowest tier for graphics quality. Now you are done and will get even more FPS in Roblox. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.